Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson and we are going to do the smoke effect and we will be using real fire. Now in this video you're going to see it all. You're going to see what really happened. Okay, so that is why I want to tell you, y'all got to be very careful, people. Caution, you can burn up some stuff. So I'm going to keep it real with you. I do not care for this way of getting my smoke effect. I will be doing another video to show you how I usually do it. I don't know what I was thinking. But you'll see in the video. So keep watching to learn how to do this effect. All right? With that being said, hey you guys, I am going to show you how to get that smoky effect on your baby bottle, okay? So what you're looking at now is a glass bowl of water, and we're going to use our painter's tape. And all I'm going to do is take a piece of the painter's tape and put it across, just like that, across our glass bowl, okay? Then we have our prepped bottle. It has already been prepped and painted with 2 coats of primer. The reason why I put 2 coats to kind of camouflage, you can still see it, that image, but we're going to rock with it as it is. It's good enough for me. Okay. And you're going to need your lighter. Okay. Now, before it just fell on the floor. Okay. Before I go ahead and do the smoke effect, the image that I want to place on my baby bottle, I don't want any smoke effects on my image. Okay. So I don't have any non-permanent vinyl, so I could cut it out that I need. So I'm going to put a piece of transfer tape that's cut out in the image that I need, and I'm just going to put it where, let's see, right there. I'm not going to push it all the way down. I just, just enough where it stays stuck. I guess that's good. Okay. You can kind of see it. All right. Now, I am going to take the lighter and light this tape right here. And it's going to send up like a thing of smoke. And I'm going to take my baby bottle and go ahead and move my baby bottle around quickly. Very quickly. You guys need to be very careful and get my smoke effect. All right. So I'm going to adjust this camera. So, so you can see exactly what I am doing. And we go boom. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Let's move you up so you can see what I'm doing. Dear Heavenly Father, please don't let me catch my wig on fire or the house on fire for that matter. Okay, let's get it. So we're gonna making a mess.
Why using tape?
Because I got this. Okay, we got to do take 2 because it did not work the way I wanted. See, that's what it's looking like, and I want it to be dark. So we're gonna do take 2.
So you need something.
I almost burnt this. Boy, this stuff. Y'all gotta be very careful. This stuff move quick.
You might want something like paper because it burns that black smoke. Does this do that too?
Yeah, just come on, light it.
Okay.
Watch your fingers. There we go. That black. Yep, there. Help me! Blow it out! Chris, blow it out! You help me get some water!
We're good! Nothing here can burn! What are you panicking?
Okay. It turned out really good. I wanted it really dark. We actually, man, my son had to redo it again, so we had to do it like 3 times. But I removed the transfer tape, as you can see, because I wanted that part to be super white. I didn't want no smoke effect on where I want to put my image. Okay? So, we'll be back with the next step. Okay, you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and move to the next step. I am going to put our water slide image onto the baby bottle. So I'm simply going to cut out my image. Here's our image. And I sealed it with this. The Rust-Oleum clear gloss. This is what I seal it with. So my ink on my image do not run. Okay? I also want to show you the water slide paper that I used. I got it off of Amazon. And this is what it looks like. This is for an inkjet printer. Okay. So I'm simply going to take my image and place it in warm water. I'm going to actually move this closer to me so I can see because I don't feel like getting my glasses. So you might not be able to see what I'm doing, but I'll show you once I'm done. Okay, all I'm doing now is checking to see if my image is ready. It doesn't take long at all. I'm going to let it soak for a couple more seconds. Okay, I'm going to check it. And we good. Okay, so I want my image to be where that white space is. So I'm just going to simply line it up and press down. Ooh, I like it how it's like a shadow. I think I don't want it. How do I want to put this on here? I'm going to actually adjust it. I kind of like it like that. Ooh, ee. I kind of like it off-centered. I was going to line it up, but I might not. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. Yep. See how it's off-centered a little bit? I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, I'm going to get some water and rub it down. Just like that. Take my tool and make sure it's nice and flat on there. We good. Just like that. I did not add any epoxy or anything. I want to do as less coats of epoxy as possible, so I just went ahead and put the image directly on the bottle where we did the smoke. So, and it didn't run. And I'm going to take my paper towel, a clean, dry paper towel, and just dab it. See, smoke's still on there. There's my paper towel so you can see it's still clean. Oh, we good. Look at that. Let me see up close. Y'all hold on a second because I ain't got my glasses. Let me make sure we can get everything nice and smooth. No air bubbles. Just going over it again. We good. Tapping it off again. Make sure I got them edges. I'm gonna put it on the stand and let it dry, and then we are ready for epoxy.